How to update iOS when iPhone storage is low. Let's get started. So, Apple makes it easy to update iOS automatically, but big updates can sometimes fail if your storage is almost full. So open up your settings. Inside settings, tap on General, tap on Software Updates, and your phone will show available update. Smaller incremental update appear at the very top and major update appear at the very bottom. If your storage is nearly full, your iPhone may automatically offload app and files temporarily to make room. You can simply tap on Download and install. Your app returns once the update is completed, but sometimes this isn't enough if the storage is very low. Now, method number 2, you can simply connect your iPhone to a Mac or PC and select your phone and then choose iOS update. If prompted, you can simply tap on Skip this process. Make sure your computer itself is up to date before updating iOS. A hidden system update can block the iOS update if not installed. Updating through a computer downloads all the files to your computer, so your iPhone storage isn't an issue. This method ensures a smooth update without deleting files on your mobile device. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.